Forget those generic gift guides, because today we're diving into the essential, highly vetted travel must-haves from me as a pilot's wife for the picky girl who demands practical but gifts with some flair. This is my list of gifts that she will use inside the airplane, inside her carry-on luggage or personal item bag, as well as in the hotel while she's on vacation. Because every one of these items is a problem solver while disguising itself as a chic necessity and a really good gift. You're going to find at least one item you can give a picky woman who travels. It may be yourself or your mother or your daughter. The first category of gift ideas is for the airplane ride. A refresh kit is a new idea that I've been using after a long flight. It comes in this little tin that's in a set of 4. They've got pink, they have white, different variations for the woman who needs a gift from you. But at the end of a flight, I would have an individually wrapped floss stick. I have jewelry, I have earrings, maybe a bracelet that I'm gonna put on, eye drops, and if she's organized, it will easily slide wherever she needs to pack it. Some jewelry that can easily be worn when traveling is these hoops that close all the way. So if you're wearing a scarf mid-flight or using a blanket, they will not snag on it. This ring is like a Louis Vuitton for less ring. I wish it came in a little bigger size, but it's easy to use, and this is what I packed them in. When we went to Greece, I used this gorgeous container that is just luxuriously smooth on a budget. Inside is my other costume jewelry. These come in like a set of 8, I think, all different colors. They're just fun, not too fancy. This gives you some bling. It's separate from those as well, but it's easy and it fits to any size. Like you can stretch it or diminish it for your size finger. It's just something easy that rolls into empty pockets of space and looks luxurious. This little travel case is no longer available. There's a different one that is in the color pink only, but there are some like silicone ones also. This is not an antibacterial gel. It is a really cool mist that dries almost instantly. I cannot stand using the gel. This is fantastic, and it's got the faintest awesome smell. This one is a vanilla scent, but it's like pistachio something, travel size. And it has a little carabiner clip that I have on my backpack, and I have never taken it off and put it in my liquids bag. The next gift idea is a portable power bank by Anker. Mine has a phone prop on it. It magnetizes to your phone to charge it, or you can turn it off and just charge your phone with the little cord that's attached. You don't have to keep up with all these cords. Anker has given you a safety precaution where you can push the little button on the side and it will make it stop charging if you just want to use the phone prop to watch shows in the airplane. The next gift idea is charms for your personal item bag. This one is the Paris one. I absolutely love it. It's gold, it's weighted down but not bulky, and it's not fragile. It's just a way that to have your fun personality on your bag, and it also is a travel hack for it sticking out and someone not choosing your bag and misplacing yours. This other one has the airplane on it. Love the little soft colors. It's just a fun gift to give. Laneige has a travel set for you. These are delicious smelling, but they are not sticky lip gloss sets. There's also a lip rub. They are the cutest little tiniest containers. The strawberry one smells more like strawberry, but I'm very anti-strong smells. It has a hint of shimmer to it. And then the vanilla one is my favorite. It is clear, but it has a shine to it that is beautiful. It should pop up right here. If the item is from Amazon, they do not allow us to use their links in the bottom corner. So you have to look in the ... more paragraph that's right underneath every video. This next gift idea is luxurious, but I have some creative things that you can add to it that do not cost money. There is a little loop right here, and I would put a really pretty favorite color carabiner so they can connect it or hook it to their bag of choice if they need to. When you open this Pillow Cloud noise canceling Bluetooth headphone set, I mean, look at this comfort right there. It totally seals, and it really is noise canceling, but here's a little pocket. They do come in a little ice blue color and pink, like 5 different colors. You can shop it right there. But here's my travel tip. If I was a picky woman, I would want a color that matches my hair. That's just me. But they do have the cute light blue and a pinkish color, purple, bright teal, and an army green. Gorgeous colors. And these really do work. The sound quality is better than my AirPods, but they're really expensive, I know. Okay, inside the little pocket is your cord that it's going to come with, but here's my gift idea. You slide in here a little gift card to the iTunes store for Apple, or the Netflix card or subscription. And right here, it has the picture of how you're supposed to pack your headphones so you remember. It always takes me forever. To me, this is too big of an item for me to travel with, but my husband loves using a case like this and real actual headphones, but they are Bluetooth too. If the picky woman you're buying a gift for likes to journal, this is my newest idea. It is a set of color themed pens. And they have little sayings on each one, like nothing is impossible. Today is your day. And there's a glitter one that may count as a liquid, but anyway, and they write smoothly. Aren't they just so pretty? Tons of different colors. I'm setting up my office in a different way. We're not quite there yet, so keep watching. This REI really small pouch is great. Look how compact it is for your personal item bag. It's a little fanny pack that will help get you into the airplane with a 3rd bag of essentials. So you've got your suitcase, you have your personal item bag, and now you have this. It's wrinkled because I just unwrapped it. But isn't it tiny and so cute? It gives you just enough space for what you need if you cannot bring a purse. Or if you're going to be taking a quick little walk, walking on the beach, have this with you. It also has the pocket inside for you, and a loop on the side if you are just transporting it. The next category is picky girl gift ideas for the hotel while they're on vacation. Look at this. This is one of the scents of a disposable, retractable deodorant little stick. Look how narrow it is. Isn't it so cute and tiny? That's what it's called. Okay, so you do it like that, and then it snaps back. But my gift idea is to put it in a really beautiful case, okay? This is my month-long pill container. So the gift would go, the deodorant little pod would go down in there. There are like 2 or 3 fragrances. Isn't that so cute? And then this would go down in their personal item bag, still keeping them organized that they can use at the hotel. This is a total splurge. I've finally done it. It's like $50. It's a skin serum tint by Armani. But for $50, it was fantastic. And my tip for you is to go lighter than what you think she's going to like, because she can use bronzer or other powder to make it more her skin tone. Love it. My color, which is pretty fair, is L2. Here's another budget-friendly idea. It's a travel hairbrush, but you use it in the airplane seat or at your hotel. I use it at the end of a long flight going to Hawaii to refluff your hair. Is it not so cute? When you're done, you just poke them all down in there, close it up like a clam. You have a gua sha. Have you ever used a gua sha? So it's always cold. The benefits of using a gua sha are it helps with circulation because you're doing it up your neck or down your neck. This way, then all over your face. You can even go down your arm like that. It is so wonderful at reducing puffiness because it promotes or helps with lymphatic drainage, which is huge for women. Okay, and here's what else it has. Is this not so pretty? It's for a headband. It's called Pura Balsamo. Every girl, especially if she's your daughter, needs this updated version of the credit card RFID blocking sleeves for excursions on a ladies' weekend trip. When you want to pop one credit card into your fanny pack, or if I'm being picky, belt bag. They're all different new patterns. They are beautiful. Like, look at that one. So pretty. I gave these for my roommate reunion. Here's one that's a tree, if you have a hiker. And look at this, even on the back. Like, it's not just the front, it's even on the back. It's absolutely beautiful. Now we have the third category of gift ideas for women who may be picky that go inside her carry-on luggage. Number one is my favorite vest that has 2 hidden pockets inside for protecting your valuables or wearing your mid-flight essentials during the flight, like that you're going to use during the flight into the airplane, so you do not have to reach for either bag while you're flying. This is an absolute favorite raincoat. One, because of the top quality fabric that is on the inside of this waterproof rain jacket from Amazon. It is not crunchy, waterproof fabric. It's very smooth, high quality. It's not loud or bulky either. And the hood cinches, and it is also removable. These Crocs cozy slippers are so fun, and they're a little different for people who may wear Crocs. I only wear them to throw the ball with our dog, but I now have bedroom shoes or slippers that are by Crocs because they have that back handle that slips up. Just super cute, comfy, just a different, unexpected gift. And right now, the Crocs site, right, if you tap down here, they are less expensive than Nordstrom and Macy's. I wore this in another YouTube short video. The brand is called Favorite Daughter, but they make this sweatshirt and I'm the only daughter, so I had to have it. Love it. It runs large and it hangs like the 1980s sweatshirts are supposed to do. They hang straight. They're not bulky, even though they're blousy. The next gift idea is my new coat that has backpack straps for when you get hot in the metro station or on a train or in a bus or while you're doing Black Friday shopping for Christmas gifts. Isn't that awesome? It is not water resistant. You can remove this entire panel right here, but the hood cinches. All of those qualities are so different. The backpack straps are not separate. They are attached to this jacket and my really long green one. I will make them both pop up on the View Products sticker for you. I love both of these jackets, especially for travel, and that they both also have an attached bag that you can fold them in, roll them up, and stuff them into without having to pack an extra packable bag. And they're both packable. This is my newest waterproof shoe. You may want to look at other colors, and that is fine. They're called Wrapped. Look at this. It's by Merrell. W-R-A-P-T is what they are. They have arch support. They don't look like they will, do they? But they do. They're so incredibly comfortable, and they are waterproof with a rugged sole for hiking, walking on rainy, cobbled streets in Europe. Okay, those are my picky girl Christmas gift ideas for travelers. I hope you find something and say hey if we have not met yet.